Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD, British Pound US Dollar for Friday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY and many more. So let's get started. This is the 4-hour chart of GBP USD in front of us right now. Before I proceed, I would like to tell that today NFP is about to come out after a couple of hours. NFP non-farm payroll, because today is the first Friday of the month, so be very careful because NFP is a big market driving factor. Market gets extremely volatile. Beginners and new traders, please try to avoid trading during the event because you may not be able to handle extreme volatility and one mistake can wipe out your capital, profit and all. So be careful. Anyways, this is the chart of dollar here. I'm extremely sorry I cannot switch over to the 4 hours time frame or 1 hour time frame. They are not allowing. We can only look at the daily time frame, weekly and monthly. So 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 we have a resistance at 94.50 on the dollar chart, and on the other hand we have got support at 93.50. so that's a gap of 100 pips. So be careful, there will be a huge movement today, so be very careful. And just keep in mind, if you see report is good, dollar going up, then obviously GBP USD will be going down. And on the other hand, if the report is bad, dollar goes down, then obviously GBP USD will be going up. So keep your eyes on the chart of DXY. Okay, and this is the chart of GBP USD in front of us right now. So you can see that there, after this huge downfall on GBP USD, right now market is trying to consolidate here. And if I just see two trading opportunities on the chart of GBP USD, because see, if we just consider the present trend of the market, then there should not be any doubt in our mind that this market is under the heavy dominance of sellers. There is sharp selling going on in the chart of GBP USD, and as we all know, following the trend of the market is the most important thing, because there is a famous saying, trend is your friend. So considering the trend of the market, we should mainly be looking for selling opportunities, and in this market situation the best selling opportunity will be at the resistance. But right now you can see that we do not have any proper resistance here. The important levels are quite far away. So what we can do is that in case market tries to recover, okay, we can short the market at 1.3550. yes, we can short the market at 1.3550 if market tries to recover and goes down again. That is our first trading opportunity, shorting the market at 1.3550. And the second trading opportunity is going for a buy at 1.3410 level. Yes, this call is against the trend of the market. Why I'm saying that you can go for a buy at this particular level, because you can see that previously when there was a sharp fall in the market, heavy fall in the market, this level provided support to the market. So this clearly signifies that some strong buyers are present in the market at this particular level. So we can hope that in case market sees some heavy selling pressure and bounces from this particular level, we can go for buy because some strong buyers are present in the market. Okay, but just make sure that you are only buying after the confirmation or when market bounces. Otherwise, without confirmation, do not buy. In case you find market breaking the level, crossing the level, then just avoid. Just avoid and just make sure that, okay, you are following proper risk management during the NFP. And again, I'm saying beginners should avoid trading during the event. And so this is it. These are the two trading opportunities. Firstly, if market goes up and reverses from 1.3550, you can short the market here. And if market bounces from the strong support zone of 1.3410, you can go for a buy. So these two are your trading opportunities in the chart of GBP USD, keeping aside the NFP part. Okay, bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow again. And my dear friends, I have recently launched a signal service So if you want to know what is the buzz about the Pro Trader program, just go to my website avilashajarika.com. Under the Pro Trader section, you will see all the information. What is the Pro Trader program? How do I share what I share and all. Bye bye.